Meaning of glass blowing.
Glass blowing.
Glass blowing.
Glass blowing.
Glass blowing. Glass blowing is a traditional technique used to create glass objects such as vases, cups, and sculptures. The process involves heating glass to a high temperature until it becomes malleable and then shaping it by blowing air into a tube or pipe that is used to manipulate the glass. The glassblower can create a variety of shapes by using different tools and techniques such as adding color or textures. The final product is a unique work of art with intricate designs and patterns that showcase the skill of the glassblower.